and be ready. Let's keep things moving smoothly, okay? Stay sharp and get this race underway. Good luck, racers. See you on the trail. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push. Good. Get over the hump, guys. Get over the hump. Nice. Push. Keep right category. Get ready. Push. Keep it straight. Straight and forward. Straight. Okay, tambol muna na. Huwag mo bibilit. E-bike category, get ready. You will be off in 4 minutes and 30 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's how you do it. Wave B, nakita niyo yun? Straight lang, ha? Good morning, Wave B!
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Straight lang, straight. Keep it straight, guys. Don't overtake it. Straight lang, straight. Kung nasan yung pwesto nyo, just keep it straight. Push. Okay, plus, nice one. Okay, Wave C! Oh, Wave C, usap-usap na kayo, ha?
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Guys, wow, very good ang Wave C. Yes, that's the way. Wave B! Good morning, Wave B! Kaway naman yan! Sino ang first time participant? Meron bang isang 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, guys, push. Keep it together, push. Focus lang, keep it straight, guys. Good, you're doing good. Alright, pace it off, pace. Nice pace, guys. Alright.
Eric!
Wag, maliligo. Siguro daming plastic pag na mga paoy. Wala mong ligo. Yan, pace yourselves, guys. Yung mga nasa likod, pace yourself. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice one, push. Go out the class. Okay, push guys, push. Okay, push, steady lang. Okay, don't pass yet, don't pass. Okay. Mabilis mag-guide, pero nasa likod, no? Hindi talaga ng iba, oh. Yun. Galing niya, oh. Wave F for fortunate. Fierce. 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push. Yes. Recover lang. Good. Okay. Push. Okay, keep your pace. Push na konti, push. Still have participants at the back. Ease your speed. Nasa likod ka. Don't overtake it. Okay, ease lang, guys. Good, guys. Keep your pace. Round, pace lang. Nice one. Good luck, guys. Nice pace. Alright. Control. Control lang, control. Find the right gearing, guys. Pace yourself. Wow, good job on wave F. Palakpakan muna natin. Wave G! For goodies. Ay. Ito barkada ko. 55 and above. Yes! Ito, rock and roll na to. Hindi ko sasabihin na yung first 5 rows dapat hataw. Pero I trust these guys. Ito mga tubong San Mateo talaga. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Uy, tamang wave yun ah. Excited. Pero sobrang sasuma. Oh, straight lang po. Straight, straight. Kuya mo pang-overtake. Ano lang, pacing lang. Hindi po reunion ng mga matatandang bata. May mga umakakaw sa likod, may pacing sa harap. Yan, pace lang tayo. Yan, easy lang. Yan. Yes. Yes, fighters. Yes, fighters. Naglalagpas sa blue line po. At mababasa po ang inyong number. Wave H for hotties. Bayan and hard hitters. Especially for our female riders. Team 7-Eleven, other teams. Tugigaraw. Uy, Tugigaraw. First time riders po. First time joining the race. Yes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go! Push, push, push. Push, choose your gearing, ha? Gear correctly. Push, guys, push, push. Oh, may nalagyan kasi po. Huli na lang namin yan, ha? Okay, pace lang, guys, pace. Alright, pace. Marshall, pagawa kayo ng cellphone. Okay. Check na kung iPhone. Android okay na. Secretary ito pala, sir. It's okay today. Right safe, bro. Anong wave natin dito? Pakita naman ang wave, Nakard. Wave I! Wow! Shoutout naman sa wave I! You are! Talaga mag-clean si Semplang, tapos mahulog lahat. Or, kanina, wala, yung gearing niya, hindi niya mahanap. Makait siya dito. So first 5 rows, kindly push and have a good speed that can be maintained all the way to the back. Yung nasa gitna po, maintain lang tayo sa speed. Yung nasa likod, you can have an easy gearing. Make sure that fast riders do not overtake yung nasa gitna. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push, push, push. Push. Push, find your gearing. Straight lang, straight lang. Straight lang. Push, push. Okay, maintain your speed, maintain your speed. Okay, I know you're fast, don't overtake yet. Okay, pace lang. Okay, shout out to our female riders and our senior riders as well. Great going, guys. Yan, pace lang, pace. Okay, find the right gearing. Cut off. Cut off the ice, 11:45, 4 hours and 5 seconds. Wave G! Our jolly riders, good morning, Wave G! Wave G! Okay naman tayo dyan, Wave G, kamusta kayo dyan? Wave G, madami-dami din sila, they are 159 bodies. Ito, masaya na to. Rock and roll tayo dito. Dito, harap at likod. Pare-parehong padyak, di ba? Mas malaki plato sa likod. Alright, rock and roll. Shout out to our female riders. I'm joining. Okay, ang cut-off natin. Usapan natin yung cut-off. Kuya boy, ano ba yung cut-off? Cut-off, pwede kayong matapos, pero wala kayong finisher's medal. It's 1. Push, push, push. Very good, very good. Push, push. Easy lang, oh, easy lang. Stay straight, stay straight. Okay, tayuan nyo po, tayuan nyo. Yes, find the right gearing. Keep it straight, keep it straight. Nice, good going guys. Okay, do your overtake. Ang dami pa dyan. Dami pa kaya dyan. Nice. Uy, good job to si J. Okay, good job guys.
Ayoko na, punta mo!
Oh, may rope. Meron tayong rope, ano. Shout out to our female and club riders. Yes. Okay, easy lang, easy. Look to the camera right away. Yes, sir. Okay, easy lang, easy lang. Low gear lang. Keep pace lang muna. Yan. Yan, layo pa yan.
Move it! Move it!
Okay.
Move it! Move it! Move it!
May tracker ba tayo?
Move it! Move it!
Wave K! Ito na ating last wave. Palakpakan po natin. 149 sila!
Move!
Wave K! Palakpakan sila sa sarili nyo. Wave tayo dyan! Wave K! Yan! Okay. First time riders. First time? Yan. Okay guys, ang success rate dito mataas naman. Pero, cut off natin guys is 4 hours and 45 minutes. Okay? So please, watch out your side computers. Markahan nyo na. 12, 10. See you guys at the finish line, okay? Okay. Stay safe out there. Enjoy. Enjoy lang kayo. If you're taking pictures, slowly move to the right and to the left, ha? Sa malawak na lugar. Counting down. This is your 7-Eleven Trail 2026. Counting down in the last 10 seconds. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push, push, push. Push, guys. Push, push, push. Nice. Wait, galing, galing. Okay, easy na, gitna. Find the right gearing. Basic. Base lang guys. Matarik niya, matarik. Stay straight guys. Stay straight. Nice one. See you at the finish line guys. Keep it straight. Straight lang, straight lang. Keep going guys. Race officials. Race mechanics, thank you. Ni isa, walang aksidente. Galing natin. Audience, galing natin. Walang family member na nakasemplang ng biker. Photographers, thank you. We'll see you on the race. DJ Eric.